Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well and making progress in your work and life too. Before we start the session, I have decided to greet you in your native language. So I asked Generative AI tool, which is Gemini, what is the native language of Zimbabwe? And I got there is no native language, which is what? There is no native language? So I read that you guys really speak 16 official languages, which is amazing because we in Egypt we have seven dialects. So it's very difficult for me to understand all of them. And just wait a second. Okay. So it's really difficult for me to understand all of them. So I feel you are a bit smart and the most spoken language in Zimbabwe is Chona and Nitbiri and something like that. So I'm gonna greet you in Chona. So it's Moro Nadfara cookies pie. Moro Nadfara cookies pie. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Okay. And this session we are going to talk about generative AI and explore the capabilities and applications of advanced AI. So I hope you guys are interested in generative AI. Okay, I'm Noah Jadu, a creator at Google I/O Amsterdam and Google DSC Mentor, a woman tech maker ambassador and Huawei ICT ambassador. We are going to talk about the dawn of AI, the power of advanced AI, and the advanced tools of AI and how we use it to help us. Okay. What is going in this video? Let me know in the comments. Actually, just describe what you watch. So let's say I see a robot walking in the house, and there is plants in the background. And a long ago, if people wouldn't believe you if you said there would be a robot walking in the house around your babies, playing with them, clean the kitchen, or even sweep the floor, right? They would think it's crazy or like a magic. But now it's possible, and even more than that. This is the power of generative AI or even the AI. It grows much faster than human. So who are the tech makers? Tech makers are like engineers, developers, and scientists. They develop AI to save our time and effort. So let's start with the dawn of AI. The world was changing, and with that, it came the dawn of new era, the era of AI, starting from the self-driving car to the medical diagnostic. And the power of advanced AI, that the technology continued to evolve, and so did its capabilities. AI now could learn, adapt, and even think for itself. So when we say it's an AI, actually we say it's an AI when it processes data much faster than human, or identify patterns that were invisible to the naked human eyes, or even process or perform tasks that are dangerous or difficult for humans. So the possibilities were endless, and the world was ready to explore them. Are you ready? Because I'm not ready for it. Okay, let's talk or practice about some advanced tools. Let's practice on them. Okay. Generative AI is a AI tool that allows you to create high content, and when we say high content, we mean image, video, text, audio, or code. So let's start with images and how to generate image. Actually, you will find a lot of generative AI tools, but a lot of them are not for free. So these are the most powerful generative AI tools, which is free. So here we find Let's Go. This is a generative AI tool allowed to create images. Let's see. Here in Lensgo, you have more than one option, so you can apply new style to your video, or restyle your photo, or remix video, or even animate your video. But I will choose to create image. So you have two choices: to create image from scratch or to upload image and restyle it. So just take 1 minute and imagine the image in your mind and describe it in the prompt here and just click start. But if you have no time, like me, you can go to Google Gemini and just ask it to write the description. So, um, write a description to generate image about IWD, which is International Women's Day. Okay. Copy and go back to the website and paste. Then you can choose the style. You can choose it if it's real or anime, picture or game or 3D and so on. So let's try the 3D. And here you can choose the image dimension. I will choose 1 to 1, a number of images. The more number of images you generate, the higher cost. Okay, so I will choose 1 and it will cost me 2 credits. It's okay because I have 76 credits. And here you can choose a scale for the text guidance. So I'll choose 10. Then start. Okay, let's try another style and choose the real one and 8. Okay, start. Okay, perfect. And I can ask generative AI Gemini to regenerate another one. And in this one, let's try the picture style. Okay. Okay. Also, let's go allow you to upload image and then restyle this. Okay, let's look at this. Did you see the difference? Actually, it's the same, right? Okay, now look at this. Sorry. Look at this one. This is my picture. I was giving a podcast and I asked Let's Go to restyle this image and just make some light effect. And this is the output. And when I asked Let's Go to restyle the image with beautiful lady and light freckles and green eyes, this is the output. Okay. Also, you can ask Let's Go to generate animation for your game. And let's try another generative AI tool that generate images. If you heard about Copilot, let's say Najadu, then click on Copilot, stop responding, then paste this. I think I prefer the Let's Go quality. Yes, I prefer Let's Go quality. Okay, let's back to the presentation. So, Miss Goro and Night Cafe are also generative AI tools that allow you to generate images. Then we have Midjourney. Midjourney is the one you need to use when you're painting. The artist Jason Allen used this generative AI tool to create artwork called Theater the Opera Special. This one, which won the first place at Colorado State Fair Fine Arts Competition. And the surprise was that this image is created by generative AI, not a human. Okay. If you want to create some images like this using Midjourney, all you need to do is to open Discord, then go to Explore Servers, then join Midjourney. Here, in new piece, you can write slash, then imagine, then write your prompt and click enter. And that's it. But Midjourney is not for free. Okay, let's try to take this prompt and paste it in Let's Go and see the result. It's real. Not the same one, and I prefer Midjourney quality, but it's not bad. Okay, so next one is Genmo. Genmo is a generative AI tool that allow you to create short videos from images. So let's see Genmo. You can upload image and it will extract the description from the image, or you can create your video from scratch. So let's say I need to create video from this description. Here is Genmo. And submit. Let's open another tab and upload image. And say this one. It already extracts the description from the image and then click submit. Okay, let's see. This one is another image I created by a generative AI tool, which is Midjourney. And when I submitted it to Genmo, the video I got was this. It's not perfect, but it's not bad for a free AI tool that allows you to generate videos. So let's see the final result. Okay, this is the result for the same prompt by Let's Go. And let's see this one. I think it will take some time, so we can go on to another one. After Genmo, we have face hugging. Face hugging is the generative AI tool that you can use to detect the images generated by another generative AI tool. So let's see face hugging. All you need to do is to drag image here. So let's open this file and I will drop this. This one is a real photo captured by a human, and this is real husky. Let's submit and see the output. Okay, it's already human generated by 92% and artificial by 8%. Let's submit another one. The one I generated by Midjourney. Okay, I think the video is already finished. Okay, and this is the last one. Thank you, Jinmo. And here, face hugging said that this picture is generated by artificial with 71%. Okay. But you shouldn't trust generative AI tool with 100%. Okay. The next one is Adobe Firefly. This is the most powerful generative AI tool I have ever used, and this is my favorite one. So let's see the Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly allow you to generate text from images, allow, generate images from text, and remove objects from your image, which is very effective. Okay, I have been to Singapore and I took a lot of pictures like this one. And I believe that this one would be more powerful or more perfect if there is no arm here, no bags, no human, and so on, right? So I have searched a lot of generative AI for a lot of generative AI to edit my picture without the need to Photoshop it. Okay, all you need to do is to drag or upload the image. So let's drag it here. Okay, and then let's remove the object, the human and the bag, and these bags, and this human, and this arm. Then you can write here in this prompt or description what you need to fill, what do you want to fill this picture with, or you can click generate. Okay, look at this. They are real, or you would believe they are real. So I really like Adobe Firefly. It can edit all your images. So let's see the next one. The next generative AI tool we have is Otter AI. Otter AI is a perfect AI tool to use when you don't have time to attend your online classroom, workshops, meeting, and so on. So let's open Otter AI here in the home. All you need to do is to connect that to your Gmail so it can record all the events in your calendar. And at the first, I thought I should open the Meet as tab to be recorded, but I found that it records all the events in your calendar, even if your laptop is shutting down. So this one and this one, I have already masked these meetings. So here you can open the transcript for each speaker, and it provides you with screenshots for the event and the material. And if you open this one, you will see that it says Noha's Otter Pilot. It tells them that this is not the real Noha. It's another AI tool that allows her to take notes for the event. And if you don't have time to read all this transcript, you can ask Otter AI if you were mentioned in this meeting and it will answer you. Also, you can ask a lot of questions. Uh, if you have no time to read the transcript, you can go to the summary and you will find the actions items or the requested actions they asked you at the event. So I can check the one I have finished or uncheck it if I found a problem with this. I can read the outlines and their screenshots. That's the Otter AI. And this is really the effective AI tool I found to record your meetings if you have no time to attend them or you have conflict in your time management. Next one is Users. Users is the one that allows you to generate UI, user interface for your projects. And I used the user for my graduation project. All you need to do is to go here and generate screens or images or same. So I will choose to generate screen. Then you can write a screen for home page or a home screen for hospital donation application. Try. You need to be specific in your prompt with generative AI tool, especially this one. So don't ask this one to generate a full UI for your application, but ask user to generate each screen. It will be more specific. So we can use this one as the home screen, or you can choose another one. Okay, this is user. Then after Wizard, we have Wizard. Wizard is another generative AI tool, but it allows you to generate or cut your videos. So if you open Wizard, you can click on upload from link, then go to your YouTube, copy your video link, and then back to the website and paste it. It will ask you to select the spoken language. It was English, and then the length for each clip. So let's say it will be 30 to 60 seconds. I think Wizard focus on the most powerful and effective clips in your video. So it will generate 7 minutes, sorry, from the video, and my video was about 14 minutes, so it's really perfect. Let's see. Also in Google Bard you can generate image. So let's say generate image or press this and see the result. Okay, not bad. Okay. Okay, and you can edit the transcription from here, or you can edit your whole video. So this was the wizard. Next one, we have Zots AI. Zots AI is another generative AI tool that allow you to generate QR with the image you prefer. So all we need to do is let's copy this link and go back to the Zots AI, paste it here. Okay, paste it here, and let's write a prompt. So we don't need to describe it. I will ask Gemini to describe another one. Mm, mhm. Okay, and let's say create. Here we go. This is the one to scan faster, and this is the recommended one. And this one was woman in tech. So let's say um, International Woman Day. I can't enter another one. Okay, perfect. So you can use a random prompt if you can enter a prompt, or if you don't have an idea. So that was the last one. That's AI. And if someone wants to learn generative AI, what are your advice? So my advice to learn generative AI is to learn generative AI fundamentals powered by Google Cloud. I will paste the link in YouTube. Okay. This one is powered by Google Cloud, and we have another one which is generative AI for everyone, powered by deep learning, Andrew NJ. And This one, this is QR. If you want to scan to hear more about generative AI tools at Google I/O at Amsterdam. And thank you. This is the end of the session.